This is our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. I welcome you all to my channel. This video tutorial is about multiple choice questions MCQ on Marketing Analytics Part 6. Marketing Analytics is one of the papers taught in MBA final semester of AKTU. So this video tutorial is dedicated to MBA final year students of AKTU. Questions. Question number 1. This is a systematic approach to the gathering, consolidation, and processing of customer data, both for customers and potential customers, that is maintained in company's database. Options are 1. Database marketing, 2. Marketing encyclopedia, 3. Application integration, 4. Service oriented integration, 5. Business technology management. Correct option is 1. Database marketing. Now question number 2. This is an arrangement in which a company outsources some or all of its customer relationship management functions to an application service provider. Options are A. Spend management, 2. Supplier relationship management, 3. Hosted CRM, 4. Customer information control system, 5. Online transaction processing. Correct option is 3. Hosted CRM. Question number 3. This is an XML based meta language developed by the Business Process Management Initiative as a means of modeling business processes, such as XML is itself a meta language with the ability to model enterprise data. Options are here: BizTalk, 2. BPML, 3. eBiz, 4. EBXML, 5. ECB. Correct option is 2. BPML. You will find that some of the questions are repeated from previous video tutorials. They are important. This is why they are repeated in view of the viewers, those who are not able to watch the entire videos. They must get collection of important questions. Question number 4. This is a central point in an enterprise from which all customer contacts are managed. Options are 1. Contact center, B. Help system, C. Multi-channel marketing, 4. Call center, 5. Help desk. So correct option is 1. Contact center. Question number 5. This is the practice of dividing a customer base into groups of individuals that are similar in specific ways relevant to marketing, such as age, gender, interest, spending habits, and so on. Options here are 1. Customer service chat, 2. Customer managed relationship, 3. Customer life cycle, 4. Customer segmentation, 5. Change management. Correct option is 4. Customer segmentation. Question number 6. For making advertisement more effective, the manufacturers improve, test, and launch new products. Options are 1. Existing products, 2. Advertisement style, 3. Marketing channel, 4. Sponsors, 5. None of these. Correct option is 1. Existing products. Question number 7. It is advisable to use dash as a source of advertising. Options are social media, 2. Email, 3. Radio, 4. Television. Correct option is 4. Television. Question number 8. Selecting time, choosing media types, deciding on reach of frequency and media vehicle for advertisements are part of. Options are A. Media strategy, media execution, selecting media, measuring communication, or none of these. So correct option is 3rd, selecting media. Question number 9. To introduce the new products to world of consumers is the main goal of. Options are A. Entertainment, 1. Entertainment, 2. Advertising, 3. Boost the sales. 4. Online marketing. 5. None of these. Correct option is 2. Advertising. Now move to next slide. Question number 10. Advertisement through radio was very popular till the middle of last century because of. Options are 1. Its effectiveness. 2. More popular than newspaper. 3. Mass reach. 4. Cost of advertisement. 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Mass reach. Question number 11. Advertising creates employment as it increases the volume of sales and. Options are 1. Production. 2. Marketing. 3. Promotion. 4. Personal selling. 5. New products. Correct option is 1. Production. By and large, correct options are highlighted here. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected in my narration. Question number 12. Lower costs, greater global advertising, coordination and consistent worldwide image are the dash of international marketing decision. Options are 1. Standardization, drawbacks. 2. Advertisement regulations. 3. Standardization benefits. 4. Typical responses. 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Standardization benefits. Question number 13. The most popular form of advertising and it reaches to masses. Options are 1. Social media. 2. Email. 3. Radio. 4. Television. 5. Print. Correct option is 5. Print. Question number 14. Advertising for dash is not allowed. First, liquor. 2. Washing powder. 3. Cigarette. 4. Cold cream. 5. Both 1 and 3. Correct option is 5. Both 1 and 3. Question number 15. The best advertisement is. Options are 1. By emails. 2. Print media. 3. Television. 4. A satisfied customer. 5. Radio. Correct option is 4. A satisfied customer. Question number 16. Advertisement is a type of dash. 1. Outdoor marketing. 2. Indirect marketing. 3. Share marketing. 4. Transaction marketing. 5. Relationship marketing. Correct option is 2. Indirect marketing. Viewers, if you like this video tutorial, you please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others who are in need of this type of content. Okay, question number 17. Catalogs, magazines, newspaper and invitations to organization sponsored events are associated with the marketing mix activity of. Options are 1. Manufacture. 2. Production. 3. Promotion. 4. Development. 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Promotion. Question number 18. With the popularity of satellites, phones, iPod, etc., usage of dash becomes ineffective. But in remote areas, it is considered as the fastest way to communication with masses. Options are 1. Social media. 2. Email. 3. Radio. 4. Television. 5. Print. Correct option is 3. Radio. Question number 19. The advertisement of newspaper has a very short lifespan of. Options are 1. 1 day. 2. 1 week. 3. 1 month. 4. 1 year. 5. None of these. Correct option is 1. 1 day. Question number 20. Advertising is not flexible as the message is once fixed. It cannot be altered again and again according to the dash. Options are 1. Advertiser. 2. Sponsor. 3. Customer. 4. Marketeer. 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Customer. Question number 21. Advertising is a non-personal process must be written or printed in words dash advertise and helps in the sale of the product. Options are 1. Salesman, 2. Sponsors, 3. Marketeer, 4. Marketing manager, 5. None of these. Correct option is 2. Sponsors. Question number 22. Dash and loyalty programs are wonderful and cost-effective way to stay in touch with customers when customer database is used correctly. Options are 1. Social media, 2. Email, 3. Radio, 4. Television, 5. Print. Correct option is 2. Email. Question number 23. From the perspective of sales, advertisements are required for. Options are 1. Profit, 2. Loss, 3. Increasing sales, 4. Decreasing sales, 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Increasing sales. Question number 24. Where a number of advertisements are published in the newspaper in series and in regular intervals are called. Number 1. Monopoly in market, 2. Feedback mechanism, 3. Boosting the sales, 4. Teaser advertisements, 5. None of these. So correct option is 4. Teaser advertisement. 25. Advertising is generally criticized because the cost involved in making ads are generally dash number 1 high, number 2 low, number 3 medium, number 4 equal to the production, number 5 none of these. Correct option is 1 high. This is all about this video tutorial. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.